Is the state moving in the right direction under the present incumbent government? Is it in the safe hands? Is it in the safe hands? If it is in the safe hand, if they are saying that yes, you are in the safe hand, if they can convince us, convince the people, let them tell us. But as far as we are concerned, we know that this is not, the state is not in safe hands. The state has already slipped back from the normalcy and peace that has been restored. Everybody is seeing it. The people who are in the government also are seeing it. You have to ask the Chief Minister what is happening, what is the magnitude, the gravity of the problem in respect of the situation which revolves around the question of normalcy and peace. You have to go further and be more inquisitive. Ask him. I have said earlier, I have told, I have shared with all of you. I have spoken to the people of the state, to all of you, about the problem that is already there. I know it. Chief Minister should be knowing more than me, because he has the command over all the authorities, all the agencies under their command. So even if after knowing all these things, if he is not acting for correcting things, that means his priority is not there. His concern is not there. I have to start asking questions whether he has the interest to serve the state or not, or is he engaging in something else by using the position that he holds as Chief Minister. What is the priority? If there are so many challenging issues which need to be attended to, and the government refuses to attend to.
So will you be meeting the governor to dismiss this government?
See, dismissing the government is not the ultimate solution. Question of, let us be blunt. Since we are saying that the state is not in safe hands, I have given you an example of a reckless driver. Would you like to see? When somebody is driving and then he is not listening to you, your palpitation is going up, and then, so you need to change the driver. Save the state. Not for the interests of Mukul Sangma or the members of the CLP, in the larger interests of the people of the state. To protect the interests of the state. The interests of the state, interests of the people should supersede everything else. Nothing else should supersede the interests of the state. Yeah, we want to do it transparently. Let people know what we are saying. Is it not necessary for the political parties to come together and discuss under the present circumstances? If they say no, it is not necessary, it's up to them. But we feel that we should reach out. We feel that good sense will prevail. Because at the end of the day, they have also the sense of responsibility. We are all responsible leaders. So I'm sure it will not fall on deaf ears. All the spatial sensory nerves will be working, I'm sure.